What do we got here, RCGus?
Today we got this one is the Precision Aerobatics Ultimate old school model, version 1, when they first brought them out, when they used to have their business in Australia. And yeah, I put a Hacker, must be good because it's German. I had an old Turnigy motor in it. It was about 50 grams lighter than the spec motor in the manual and just couldn't CG properly. So with the Hacker motor, it's a lot better.
I see you've got some custom decals on there. We got the
Just a few.
Hacker, the Spectrum RC Castle.
That's right. So yeah, just tried to spice it up a bit.
What's this decal on the rudder? Sorry, I'm interrupting you.
No, I'm having troubles with my battery straps because it is very awkward with a very small margin to get the battery in these, and the straps tend to stick together.
You want some dentist tools or no?
I'm going to the dentist on Tuesday. So
Don't remind you?
yeah, please. I've spent about $800 on 2 visits there already. So
Oh, bugger.
that's another plane, right?
Yeah, it is.
Tell you.
Why spend it on your luxury bones that are in your mouth? I don't get it.
I don't know. It seemed like a good idea at the time, but they're only used to chew, aren't they?
That's it.
We're getting there.
All right. Oh! Just the one wheel, eh? Nice. Work of art. Alright.
Shaky, but
Jolly good.
should be right.
Down in one piece. Number of landings equaled the number of takeoffs. Always good.